Hey guys, so a couple months ago we had a session showing you how to set up your own international stock brokerage account with Interactive Brokers, and now many of you guys are ready for step 2, and that is where we'll show you how to actually fund your brokerage account. And there are 2 options available for us here in TNT. You can either A, go through the banks and do a wire transfer, or B, fund your account using a credit card. Now there are some nuances to both, especially the funding your account through your credit card, and so we're having a session very soon showing you how to go through both methods so you can actually load your account and start investing in the international stock market. So if you've completed phase 1 and you're interested to move on to phase 2 in the stock brokerage course, be sure to stay tuned for an announcement of the date of this event. And even if you missed phase 1, check the link below and we'll send you a video link so you can check out the key aspects of the phase 1 of the course, which shows you how to set up your account so that you're caught up by the time you're ready for phase 2. Alright guys, so we look forward to another exciting session and look forward to seeing you again soon.